In today's video, we're talking about the flame generator in Photoshop, so let's get into the video. So this is a really cool feature in Photoshop. You can generate flames. Now, I don't know how often you're going to use it, but I think it's something that's pretty cool. I like it, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's jump over to Photoshop and check it out. All right, so here we are in Photoshop. I've got an image open here, and I want to put some flames in this barrel. So the first thing I need to do is create a new blank layer. Here I've just clicked the new layer button, layer 1. The next thing you need to do is use your pen tool to draw a path. So I'm going to draw a path here, kind of round it out a little bit, make a final point here, press enter. And if I come over here into my paths panel, you see I have my path. I'm going to select that, which means my path is now selected. Next, I'm going to come up to filter. I'm going to come down to render, and I'm going to go to flame. This will bring up the flame generator dialog box for you. There's all kinds of options in here and all kinds of fun, cool things that you could do. There's different types of flames, different directions that you can make the flame go. And in this case, I want to use multiple flames, one direction. You can play with these different settings, change your length. In this case, I want it to be pretty long, so I'm going to boost that up. You can randomize the lengths. You can change the width. That'll make it just look different in your image. In this case, I think I'm going to move it a little bit thinner. You could change the angle, change the color. So down here you have quality, and if you want a very good quality, you select the fine. If you want a draft quality, you press fast. I'm just going to go with medium for now, so it doesn't take too long here. Over here in the advanced panel, you've got some other options of how you can change things if you'd like. Next, I'm just going to hit OK, and it's going to generate those flames for me and put them on my image. So here we've got the flames. You can use free transform to adjust the flames however you'd like. In this case, I want to mask out the flames where it comes over top of the barrel on the outside of the barrel. So I'm going to add a layer mask to my layer, select my layer mask. I'm going to turn it off just for a second so I can see where this edge is. I'm going to use a quick selection tool. I'm just going to brush along there, see if I can get the edges a little bit. Okay, now that I've got my selection made, I'm going to turn my layer back on, go to my layer mask, and I'm going to fill my selection with black. There we go. It looks like it's coming out of the barrel. Now you can adjust this a little bit, drop the opacity a little bit if you need to, or play with your levels or your curves to get it to blend in a little bit better. But there you go. An easy way to add some flames to one of your pictures. In another quick example here, I want to add a candle light to this image here. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to draw a path, and I want the flame to go up like this. I'm going to press enter, come to my paths. I'm going to select it, go filter, flame generator. I'm going to come up to filter, render, flame, and now I'm going to select an option that's going to give me a candle flame. So here under flame type, I want to select my options here. I want to do candle light. Now we can make it as crazy or as not crazy as we want. So I'm going to come over to the advanced tab, and I'm going to change this from violent to normal. I'm going to come back to the basic panel. I want to drop the width so it's pretty narrow. I'm going to leave the quality at medium, although I would probably do fine if this was something I really wanted to use. I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to come in and make this guy a little bit bigger here. And I want to add a layer mask, and I want to mask out just the bottom of the flame. Now you can change the flame however you want. That looks a little wonky, but you get the idea. All right, guys, so there you go. Really quick, really easy. You can add flames to any of your images, whether it's some kind of barrel, whether it's a candle, whatever you might want to do. Put flames and you're coming out of your hand, whatever. It could be really cool. So just wanted to share that feature. I think it's pretty fun, and give it a shot. Try it out, see what you think. So I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're into photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, and even a little bit of video and video editing, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.